Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix we couldn't sign you in to Xbox Live Microsoft Store. Let's fix it guys. You just need to right click on the date and time and select adjust date and time and make sure to turn on set time zone automatically and set time automatically turn it on. After turning on both options, just to close stuff here. Now you just need to go to search menu and type services, click on open it. In services, find Xbox services. Just double click on it one by one. Startup type set to automatic and select apply and start the service. Do the same for all Xbox services listed over here. After doing it, just close stuff here. Now you just need to go to search menu and type Microsoft Store. Click on open it. Select the profile icon over here and select sign out option. After signing out, just to close tab here and go to search menu and type Microsoft Store. Right click on the Microsoft Store and select app settings. Scroll down and select the reset option. After getting reset done, you just need to close tab here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you just need to go to search menu and type Microsoft Store. Click on open it. Select the profile icon and select the sign in option and sign into your account. After sign in your account, your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.